Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody. How you guys been doing? And in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Roblox account. So it's pretty simple, so just follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on for future videos related with Roblox just like this, because there's tons of video coming up on our channel related with Roblox. Alright, let's get into the video. First step, what you want to do is download Roblox. You can easily do that by going to your, Microsoft Store over here, searching for Roblox and then downloading it. Once you download and install it, what you can do is where it says type in search at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now this is strictly for Windows user because it's not available for Mac, and for Linux the steps are similar. All right, you just need to download Roblox and open it. So what you can do is search for Roblox over here and it's going to show you Roblox. Click on it and your Roblox will open up like this. Once it opens up, click on login. Once you click on login, you need to enter your username, and over here you need to enter your password and click on login. So I'm going to do that over here real quick. Once you do that, it's going to send a verification code to your email, whichever email you used when you created a Roblox account. So I'm going to go check my email real quick. You also do that. So I've received the verification code in my email. I'm going to type the code over here. You also go check your email and type the code which you received. If you do not receive a code, click on resend code and a new code will be sent to you. Alright, so do that until you receive a code, and please wait for at least 1 minute. If you don't receive a code in 1 minute, click on resend code. Alright, now after you enter the code, click on verify, and if the code you entered over here is correct, then your Roblox account should open up. Now that's for the app version of Roblox. Now if you want to log in into a Roblox account on the web version, just go to your web and search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox over here, click on Roblox. Once you click on Roblox over here, you need to go on where it says login. And once you click on login over here, it's going to take you to the login page. Enter your username, enter your password, click on login, verify yourself through that email, and you should be logged in into Roblox on your web browser. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.